Hey guys, welcome back to Steam, Condensate and Feedwater Systems Part 2. As I mentioned in Part 1, we will be discussing condensate and feedwater systems in this part. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video.
Boiler feed water. Boilers are used in industries to generate steam, which in turn is used to generate power and heat. And boiler is a device for generating steam. It consists of two main parts: furnace and boiler proper. Furnace provides heat by burning the fuel, and boiler proper is a device where water changes to steam due to heat. This steam is then recirculated out of the boiler to be used in various processes in heating applications. The water which is fed into the boiler is called the boiler feed water. These days, modern boilers require high quality water to operate efficiently. Such water can never be obtained from any of the natural sources, as it contains some dirts. The presence of dirt and the water makes it unfit for use in boilers. In boilers, it should be pre-treated using various techniques. Thus, we can say that boiler feed water is specially conditioned water which is fed into the boiler to generate steam or hot water. It is generated through a system of heat economy. Steam produced in the boiler is condensed after use and is returned as pure feed water, called the return water. Then some fresh water or makeup water is added to this return water. It is this combination of return water and makeup water which is fed into the boiler.
Boiler feed water to generate steam. Note that boiler feed water depends upon the quality of the makeup water and the amount of condensate returned to the boiler. Sometimes we see that some impurities settle down at the bottom of the boiler after the steam is produced. We know that steam which escapes from the boiler normally contains liquid droplets and gases, so the remaining water at the bottom of the boiler might pick up all the foreign matter from the water that was converted to steam. This results in the accumulation of impurities at the bottom of the boiler. These impurities can be removed by discharging some water from the boiler to the drain. Such process of blowing the impurities from the boiler to drain is called blow-down operation. Specification of boiler feed water. Before using the boiler feed water in the boiler, it should be made sure that it meets the following specifications. Its hardness should be below 0.2 parts per million. Its caustic alkalinity should be between 0.15 and 0.45 parts per million. Its soda alkalinity should be between 0.45 and 1 parts per million. It should be free from turbidity and sediments, and it should be free from organic matter, oil and grease to avoid foaming.
The main steam system on board controls the flow of high temperature, high pressure steam as it moves from a boiler from a turbine and is used to drive a generator. To increase overall efficiency, some steam is extracted from the turbine and is used to heat the feed water for the boiler. The rest of the steam is exhausted from the turbine to a main condenser. Condensate from the main condenser goes through the condensate system and becomes feed water that returns to the boiler through the feed water system. In this way, the condensate and feed water system work together to supply water at the proper rate to support normal boiler operation. Therefore, they are considered as one system, which is the condensate and feed water system. To maintain a normal operation of a ship's boiler, the water going into the boiler must be equal to the amount of steam that leaves the boiler and the main steam system. Keeping the boiler supplied with the proper amount of water is the job of the condensate and feed water system. The chemical addition system may be connected to the condensate system, the feed water system, or both. They generally include pumps and associated equipment for adding chemicals such as hydrogen to prevent corrosion and ammonia to control pH. The makeup water system is connected to the main condenser's hot well. This system adds pure water to the condensate system to compensate for water losses that may occur due to condensate sampling or to steam or water leaks in the system. The makeup water is stored in a condensate storage tank. If you are responsible for keeping a condensate and feed water system running smoothly, you must be thoroughly familiar with normal operating conditions of the system so you can distinguish between usual and unusual conditions. Making regular checks of levels, temperatures, pressures, flows, and valve position throughout the system as it operates helps you detect problems early so that major trouble and costly downtime can be prevented. So guys, that is it from me and my team. So this is my team. Part 1 was done by Steven Raj of Alam ID 020379. Part 2 was done by me myself, Janish Raj, Alam ID 020537, Natishwar, Alam 020418, and Darshan Nae of Alam 020393. So I hope all the information that we have presented in this video has been beneficial to everyone, and we hope to meet soon in the future. Till then, please like, share and subscribe. Till then, see you soon.